Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best ping pong paddles that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the STIGA Pro Carbon Table Tennis Racket. Our top ping pong paddle is also the top table tennis racket from STIGA. This Pro Carbon paddle has the highest ratings for speed, spin, and control. With a total spin of 100, a speed at 99, and control at 80, you'll definitely execute an incredible performance in the game and keep up with your opponent's attacks. It is very responsive and makes sure you'll have the efficient speed and spin you need for the game. This table tennis racket is made of the 7-ply extra light blade, S5 rubber, and 2mm sponge. It also features a carbon technology for speed and power that enables you to elevate your skills from a beginner to an intermediate player. And with constant use and regular practice, you can gain control, enhance your speed and spin and be a more than just a recreational player in no time. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the STIGA Apex Table Tennis Racket. STIGA offers an immense line of ping pong paddles that you can browse depending on the style, size, shape, and the way you play the game. This STIGA Apex is designed to deliver a performance-level table tennis skills. It provides impressive ratings for speed, control, and spin, but mainly specializes in enhancing your control. This STIGA Apex table tennis racket is made of 5 layers of durable wood and extra light blade and 2mm sponge. It comes with a concave composite Italian handle that provides you with an excellent grip and comfortable feeling while delivering all your shots and hits. So if you are a beginner and desires to improve your skills in table tennis, this STIGA paddle will help you work them out. At number 3, we have the Killerspin Jet200 table tennis paddle. Another killer ping pong weapon is this Jet200 from Killerspin. Just like any Killerspin paddles, this model is made of the highest quality materials to give you a smooth drive in the game. It is made of 5 plywood for enhanced durability and a basic level of play. Hence, this paddle works well with entry levels or beginners. This paddle comes with a blade with a flared handle to help you sharpen your skills in playing, particularly the speed and control. So, if you want to take your table tennis skills to the next level and prep yourself for a competitive game, this one might be the best option for you. It lets you deliver precise hits and optimum speed to help you keep up with your opponents. At number 2, we have the Custom Gambler Professional Table Tennis Paddle. Another ping pong paddle that can boost your confidence while playing the game is this Professional Table Tennis IM7 Graphite Blade Paddle from Gambler. It is lightweight and easy to grip, which allows you to deliver the ball at excellent speed and enhance your spin. This solid paddle is crafted with a hand-sealed blade with a superb finish and an exceptional combination of the Koto outer ply and the IM7 graphite fibers to give you a comfortable feeling and touch. It is designed with a mechanical spin-type rubber that enhances your spin that can be a great match against the spin of your opponent. This paddle provides you with great speed and control. It also has this stocky sound when it hits the ball. It has a speed rating of 94, control rating of 92 and spin rating of 97. Indeed a great buy for a better performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Diamond Stallion High-Tech Ping Pong Paddle. The Diamond Stallion Ping Pong paddles offer a reasonable weight that gives you excellent control over the ball. It is not too heavy and allows you to keep up with the other players with greater speed and control. It is designed with an excellent 2.00 mm rubber material and a speed wood with a competition-level blade design. This structure lets you drive the ball with optimized speed and efficient serving and returning. The paddle is also crafted with a 2.0 mm sponge to enhance your offensive shot in the game. And the high-tech 25-layer polished handle provides an excellent and steady grip so you can deliver all your ping pong swings without any trouble. It is firm and free of any unpleasant odor. With constant use, you'll definitely improve your ping pong techniques every time you play. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.